Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining the assignment clearly. What is due, by when, and the expected deliverable. Once done, gather syllabus sections, problem sets, and any files so the AI has context. Make sure to note constraints like word count or citation style. Then decide the AI's role, whether you need a step-by-step tutor, an outline creator, or proofreading help, and state that immediately. This saves time and reduces back and forth, letting the AI produce focused, usable output from the first prompt. You craft a focused prompt that contains the goal, constraints, and one example of desired format. Include sample work or model answers if available. Next, ask the AI for a stepwise solution and then request an explanation of each step so you learn the reasoning. Once you review, iterate. Ask for more depth, simplified language, or alternate approaches. Make sure to request citation of sources when needed, and ask the AI to output numbered steps or a checklist you can follow directly. You finalize by asking the AI to proofread and format the work into the required style, including a bibliography and labeled figures if needed. Then verify key facts, calculations, and citations yourself or with a secondary AI check. Make sure numbers and logic match class expectations. If something seems off, troubleshoot by pointing out the ambiguity and request step-by-step recalculation or source quotes. Finally, run a brief plagiarism, check mentally, and adjust phrase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.